Every home sale comes with a deadline you didn't plan for. The permit for the addition, the warranty on the roof, the receipt for the water heater you replaced 3 years ago. Most sellers spend the 2 weeks after accepting an offer scrambling to find documents they know they have somewhere. Real estate ledger is how you make sure that never happens to you. Real estate ledger is your home's permanent record, a single organized place for everything a buyer will ever want to know about your property. Think of it as a Carfax report for your home. You build it over time, one document at a time. And when you're ready to sell, it's already done. Start by uploading what you already have: inspection reports, appliance warranties, receipts for work you've had done. Real Estate Ledger reads each document and suggests how to file it. Less typing, more organizing. The asset model tracks every major system and appliance in your home: age, condition, warranty status, service history. When a buyer asks, "How old is the HVAC?" you'll know, and you'll have the paperwork to back it up. When you're ready to go to market, hit one button. Real Estate Ledger generates your property guidebook, a professional PDF of your complete property record. Your agent shares it with buyers, and buyers who can see everything don't need to negotiate for reassurance. In January, a homeowner in Dayton, Ohio went to market with a complete Real Estate Ledger record: 17 showings, 7 offers, under contract in 3 days. His buyer's agent said it best: "If I had $1 for every client who asked for Carfax-like report for home, I'd be rich." Your 30-day free trial is waiting. No credit card is required. It takes less than 5 minutes to set up. The documents you add today are your edge at listing time, whether that's next year or 5 years from now. Start your free trial today.